Trying to get rid of belly fat, love handles, or thigh fat feels impossible, right? You keep doing crunches, planks, or even buy those fat-burning creams. But nothing changes. Here's the truth. Spot reduction doesn't exist. If it actually worked, we'd all have 6 packs just from laughing at bad fitness advice. But don't worry, losing stubborn fat is possible. You just need to understand how it really works. Part 1. Why fat loss feels unfair. Here's the deal. Fat loss doesn't happen in one spot. It happens everywhere in your body at the same time. The catch: your genetics decide where fat comes off first and where it comes off last. Some people notice their face slim down right away. Others lose fat in their arms or legs before anything happens to their belly. And the area you care about most, that's usually the last to go. That's why so many beginners quit. They diet, they exercise, but when their stomach, hips, or thighs don't shrink fast enough, they think they're doing something wrong. In reality, they just needed more time. Part 2. How fat loss actually works. Think of your body like a swimming pool. You can't choose which corner of the pool drains first. It all goes down together. Fat loss works the same way. For men, stubborn fat usually clings to the stomach and love handles. For women, it's often the hips, thighs, and butt. And, of course, face fat, no one's safe from that one. Gained a few pounds and instantly look puffy in the face. Exactly. Your body loves to show off your good times. This isn't your fault, it's just biology. Your body stores fat in certain favorite spots, and those are also the last places it burns. Frustrating? Yes. Impossible? No. Part 3. What you can actually do. Here's the part most people don't want to hear. The only way to lose stubborn fat is to lose overall fat. No exercise, cream, or detox tea will magically shrink one area. The solution is simple: a calorie deficit. Burn more energy than you eat. That's it. At first, you'll lose fat in areas you don't even care about, maybe your arms, your face, or your calves. But if you stay consistent, your body has to tap into those stubborn spots. It's science, and here's how you make it look better along the way. Build muscle. Training ABS won't burn belly fat faster, but it will reveal a stronger core when the fat goes. Training legs won't melt thigh fat, but when the fat drops, your legs will look powerful instead of skinny. As for face fat, no chewing gum workout will fix that. Just keep losing overall fat and let time do its job. Part 4. The real secret fat loss is simple, but it's not easy. A calorie deficit plus strength training is the fastest path. But here's the secret most people miss: patience. Your stubborn fat is the last to leave. Most people quit right before they would have seen results. Don't be that person. Stay consistent, and the fat has no choice but to come off. So if you're struggling with stubborn fat, stop searching for shortcuts. Focus on a calorie deficit, lift weights, and give your body time. It will happen. And if you want a blueprint to get stronger while you lean out, check out our calisthenics playbook. By the time you finish, you'll not only feel stronger, you'll look the part too.